guys, what's going on? This is Nick here with Spark Gap Garage. I am currently messing around with my 1990 Ford Ranger. My muffler started cracking down the middle of it, so ended up having to replace it. I'm not going to show that process because it's kind of boring, but I do have a performance upgrade for the 90 Ranger, and if you can see that, probably not. That is a FlowMaster's, I believe, Series 40 muffler for more, growl and stuff like that. Anyway, so I installed that onto this Ranger along with a resonator tip, and just kind of wanted like a little deeper growl. Obviously not straight piped because that'd be a little obnoxious. However, I did do a stock muffler sound comparison, stock open pipe. I did do that, and also along with my new FlowMasters on there. I do like the sound of them. It sounds amazing. I haven't yet driven it down the road, but as you'll see here soon, it's pretty much just in my driveway. Get it up to about 4,000 or 5,000 RPM, and yeah. But if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. There'll be more videos like this on the Ranger, soon to be the Ruckus. I got some stuff I gotta do on that, and then the Buick Encore. But we're not gonna forget about my Black Beauty in there, Midnight Special. I do have some more videos coming out for that. So yeah, if you guys can like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. All right guys, here is what it sounds like with stock exhaust. This is what the truck sounds like, open pipe. Okay guys, so this is the installed FlowMaster muffler onto my 1990 Ford Ranger. This is a brand new resonator tip. Don't mind all these clamps, I like these because I can remove them. But up there is my new FlowMaster. Yep. And now we're gonna see how she sounds. Pretty excited about this. I haven't even started it up yet. I literally just finished torquing all these nuts and bolts down, and yep. All right, let's hear her.